Good evening, wet shaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome into the rabbit hole with Cal Shaves. Gonna do a quick preview and then get right to it. Tonight, the new stainless steel Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Ascension. Very solid. I will put the details in the text around me and in the description down below. Wash cut in here, used once. We are also going to use Ciderhouse 5. I recently got the set from him and this stuff is amazing. Love the scent of it. It's not too strong, and again I will put the scent notes in and around me. Because of a video I saw recently with Distorted Edge Shaving and Doug Smythe, or an episode of I'd Rather Be Shaving, try something different. Just using distorted or distilled water. I just nuked it a little bit and stuck my brush in it and had a little bit in a cup here to mix. So we'll see how this goes. Anyway, I lathered it all up in my Thirsty Badger lather bowl, and you can see just a gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous lather. And the scent is just unbelievable. And this is my Smoke 830. We're gonna get lathered up, get this done, give you guys some metal to listen to, and yeah, do a commentary as we go. So here we go. And that's turned quite tight. So it's not dialed back. We're gonna see how this shaves and then we might dial it back. First pass with the grain. Several days growth. Love the feel of this. Love the weight. Little ball. I think he calls it a pinky something or other. I'll put it in the description. That works great for me. I got big hands, but this is just friggin' perfect. Bit of blade feel. No blood. Not bad for first pass, several days growth. Get up, lather 2. Across the grain. Actually, blow out the little grooves in here, go down the back. Just a little bit, see what it feels like. Nice and solid. There's no chance of that falling apart. That still feels awesome. Going right through it. One more against the grain. That's smooth. That's always a trouble spot for me on this side, and just a little bit of cleanup. Clean up, and now the follow-up. As usual, truths are on time. Razor Rock Alum. Hardly any burn at all. Very slight. Let that soak for a minute. So yeah, this stainless steel. I don't have the aluminum one. I want to try it, but the weight of this, I'll put the information down below, and with the editing. But this is freaking awesome. Also comes with polishing cloth. So yeah, it's aggressive. Fairly smooth. Really, actually, really. What am I saying? Really freaking smooth. I've got the Miele R41. That's aggressive as hell. This is really comfortable. It's Vosh God, my favorite blades and of all. But give it a quick dip. Gonna try and keep this shortish. Why go with the matching aftershave. Like I said, this stuff is just, I've got the automatic and the atomic pumpkin, and I'm starting to think this is my new favorite one. By the way, performance on that soap was top notch. Oh. A little bit of burn. Anyway, guys. That is spot on. That is a really, really well-made, great quality razor. My second most expensive razor, probably, or right up top. I'm Canadian, so this I think was, I think about $70 US. My carve was 100 Canadian, so right around. Carve was slightly more expensive, I think, but the quality of this, the craftsmanship. And I will post better pictures of this, but wow, that's just something else. Highly recommend it. Ciderhouse 5. Details down below. Amazing soap. Another great scent from Doug and Fran. Definitely suggest this. I said for me, for the fall. Not for the summertime, but for the fall. Magic aftershave. I mean, how long is that going to last you for? Right? I mean, you're paying pennies to use these things. So, anyway, guys, I really appreciate you watching. Again, as usual, comments, suggestions, good, bad, indifferent, really appreciate it. And guys, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. You know, this channel is progressing really surprisingly well, and I really appreciate everything that you guys do, all your comments, the time you guys take to watch, and your subscriptions. I really, really appreciate it. So, anyway, guys, until next time, you guys have a great shave, and thanks again. Take care.